Scene, a vibrant online platform interface with the SecureNet logo prominently displayed. Narrator, voiceover. Welcome to SecureNet, your go-to destination for safeguarding your digital world, all for free. Cut to a series of quick shots showing users accessing SecureNet on various devices from laptops to smartphones. Narrator, voiceover. Whether you're a seasoned cybersecurity pro or just getting started, SecureNet provides the tools and resources you need to defend against online threats without costing a dime. Cut to a split screen showing different features of SecureNet, such as threat detection, vulnerability assessments, and educational resources. Narrator, voiceover. Our platform offers everything from real-time threat monitoring to step-by-step guides on how to secure your devices and data. Cut to a close-up of a user's determined expression as they navigate through SecureNet's features, absorbing information and taking action. Narrator, voiceover. But remember, cybersecurity is a shared responsibility. We encourage ethical behavior and responsible use of our tools to ensure the safety and security of all users. Cut to an animation demonstrating how SecureNet fosters collaboration among users, allowing them to share insights and strategies for staying safe online. Narrator, voiceover. Join our growing community of cybersecurity enthusiasts and experts. Together, we can build a stronger, more secure digital future for everyone. Cut to a montage of satisfied SecureNet users, representing diverse backgrounds and industries, giving thumbs up and smiling at their screens. Narrator, voiceover. Don't wait until it's too late. Take charge of your online security today with SecureNet, because protecting what matters shouldn't come with a price tag. Fade to the SecureNet logo against a backdrop of digital security symbols. Narrator, voiceover, SecureNet, making cybersecurity accessible to all. This script emphasizes the accessibility and inclusivity of SecureNet while encouraging responsible cybersecurity practices. Feel free to adjust the script to fit the specific features and branding of your fictional